Hey everybody, Mr. B here. We're in the Lofts and I've got something really special for you today as we're keeping with the holiday theme. Anyway, we're going to roast a veg med today that is absolutely to die for. Okay, it's got a very great Mediterranean sort of thing going with this. This is a wonderful pairing with the pork tenderloin, but that's another video for another day, so you're going to have to stay tuned on that one. Anyway, we've got broccoli. Today we've got cauliflower, we have some red onion, we've got some little red potatoes, and we are going to roast that with this incredible garlicky balsamic reduction kind of thing that happens with them. It's absolutely amazing. So let's get started with that. Let me show you this ingredient breakdown for Mediterranean style roasted vegetable medley. So you're going to start with some red potatoes. I've quartered them. We're going to parboil those for about 5 minutes. You want to get them started and you want them to have time to dry so it doesn't steam, it roasts. Okay? We'll knock out some broccoli, some cauliflower. I've got a white onion I need to use. Red onion is really the star of the onion show here. Garlic, and don't be stingy with it, all right? For fresh aromatics, I'm doing thyme and rosemary, salt and pepper, and I'm using some herbes de Provence. Now, if you don't have herbes de Provence, that's fine. Mirror this with some Italian seasoning, some oregano, some thyme, things of that nature, okay? And there you have it. We're going to get this broke down and get it ready to go. Oh, almost forgot. Glad I caught myself. True star of this show is some really good balsamic vinegar and some really good olive oil. Okay, kids? Okay, let's put these Mediterranean roasted veg together. I broke down the broccoli, the onions, the cauliflower, parboiled my potatoes for about 5 minutes just to get the cooking process started because they will take a minute to do. Shocked them in some ice, stopped the cooking process because I want them to roast, not steam. I also dried them. So, to that, well, let's see. Let's just kind of maybe get in here and get everything kind of turned out. You know, all good like. Okay, now we are going to douse this liberally with some olive oil. All right, kids? And we will get these herbs. Also, you know, you want to be nice with them. There's a lot of veg here, guys. And you want them to taste like something. Now I'm going to add... Never prepared, am I? Alright, so we are now going to add big salt. Okay? I mean, big salt. That sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkling. And same with big pepper. Gonna need another dose. It's getting a little low on my pepper. Another good. Womp, 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 womp. And now for the magic. Some balsamic vinegar. And what's going to happen here is that this is just going to glaze as it roasts. Got a little more here. Okay, just eyeball it. And we're going to mix this together again with our hands. Make sure that everything is deliciously coated. You can tell by the color. These are so flavorful, so good. You know, and guys, you can do this to taste. I mean, I like these to be very robust. This is an incredible pair with what am I going to say? With pork, any pork, particularly a pork tenderloin. That'll be coming up in another video where you actually roast some pork tenderloins on top of these veg. Oh my God, it's crazy. I'm still developing that recipe. Anyway, here you go. You're going to put that in the oven at about 400. And it can take about 30, 40 minutes, depending, until the potatoes are fork tender. Every 20 minutes or so, take them out, give them a stir, make sure that they are, you know, being coated. Don't forget your fresh rosemary, and don't forget your fresh thyme. Don't worry about picking it off. It'll be all right. Like that. There you have it, guys. Guys, don't forget the garlic because it's so important. I'm just going to sprinkle it up on top, and you know, when it goes to stir, it'll get down on in there. It'll just kind of melt away. Like I said, do not be stingy on the garlic, guys. This would also pair really good with some lamb. I'm just saying. Okay, now we're ready. In a 425 degree oven. Probably going to need about 40 minutes, but I'm going to check it in 20 and give everything a stir to ensure even cooking. Okay, let's look at our Mediterranean roasted veg here. Ooh, that's going to be nice. See that steam coming off that? Oh my gosh. And we're going to give these a stir real quick. Close the oven to keep the heat in. Let's just, oh yes. This will help just sort of even coat it, even cook it. One pan. I am going to take the opportunity to kind of see where I'm at on my potatoes. They're coming along very nice. Very, very, very nice. I'm going to throw this, get back in there, time. I'm going to throw this back in the oven for another 20 minutes. Oh, beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. Unbelievable. All that balsamic and the garlic, and I mean, holy shit, it's good. All right, I'm going to go in for a taste. It's going to be hot as hell. Let's get a potato. Look how pretty. Singe my mouth off. It's perfect. Salty, sweet. The savoriness of those spices, herbs. Try a piece of broccoli. Guys, I'm telling you, give this a shot. It is $1,000,000. All right, guys, there you have it. Mediterranean style vegetables roasted with balsamic glaze. I'm Mr. B. Please subscribe. Come along for the ride. We're going to see you next time, kids.